Good morning! We are at the side of the road nearby beautiful mountain and the sea and so on. I quickly made this engine bay holder, so as if I can see the holes in the place, but still I will change in the new one. That's it. I believe this is the warship. This is our third stop. It's Lodingen city, and we just go around, check what is here, what we can see. Also, here's a market, and we really wanted the ice cream, so we take ice cream and we check the city. We bought ice creams, 3 liters for €2. And the view. Yeah, we just sit, relax, and enjoy the ice cream. So we are back at the van after 2 hours of walking in the city, and we were at the lighthouse, small lighthouse, and we ate ice cream. Right now, actually, we are moving. The rain started, and we decided to stop on the side of the road and take a lunch, but rain didn't stop, and after lunch we decided to move a bit further and stop another place because it's more quiet and it's not side by the freeway. So yeah, it's just 4 minutes long, not big deal, moving. The rain is not heavy, but yeah, intensive, let's say, and yeah, visibility is not so great. This location will be our next stop, and whoa, that mountain.